Ayubowan, Vanakkam, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, to all the Muslim friends who decided to be here despite the New Year, Eid Mubarak, including our compeer. And as we move forward, ladies and gentlemen, Homelands, as Sri Lanka's #1 most trusted and most innovative developer, we are happy to partner with Lanka Property Show 2026. Thank you very much for having us as well. And we are on board as one of the platinum sponsors. So thank you very much. Now, thank you to all our colleagues in the industry for coming up and giving us all information and sharing this forum today. Because as Sri Lanka, we believe at Homelands, as safe and stable Sri Lanka, we need to move forward to making Sri Lanka an investment destination. And to do that, we need each and every one of you. So let's keep making Sri Lanka beautiful with our beautiful developments and keep Sri Lanka shining. Now let me start off by taking you through what makes Homelands special. Starting off, Homelands, we introduced the resort-style themed lifestyle concept to Sri Lanka. Now, way before, when you said apartments, it was most likely a building with elevators. But as Homelands, we pioneered, we brought in, looking at the international concepts, we brought in the resort-style themed lifestyle concept to Sri Lanka. First with the Ariana Resort Apartments, which is Sri Lanka's first resort-style apartment complex. And there onwards, we kept building up. And today, look at all the developers. We're happy to see all of them following the way with resort-style living concepts. And also what truly makes Homeland special is also that we are a fully integrated group of companies with 14 subsidiaries. And our biggest strength is having our very own construction arm, that is Hera Construction, which is a CS2 graded, which is the highest national grade offered to a construction company by the Construction Industry Development Authority. And with this construction arm within our group, we guarantee on the quality. So when you buy from us, we do not just give the developer warranty, we give you the contractor warranty from our developments as well. And with this construction arm, recently, you must have seen the headlines, how we have delivered 3,500 resort apartments and villas just by Homelands. So 3,500 units already delivered. This, as a market leader, we reaffirm that credibility and trust towards the market. And as at now, we have 2,500 units under construction. So altogether, we have 6,000 under management. And also, what makes us special is also that the global recognitions that we have gone into. Starting off, winning the overall winner of the Sri Lanka Real Estate Brand Health Survey 2025, once again for the consecutive time by the Research Intelligence Unit. This proves our market leadership in the real estate industry. And also, the prestigious Property Guru Asia Property Awards, winning the Best Developer Sri Lanka Award. We've been winning this for 3 consecutive years. I think that's enough proof to say how we are running the show. And also, Homelands is the only real estate super brand that got awarded with the Super Brands Sri Lanka's Choice Award as well. Now that being said, with all the recognitions, now what do we promise? What do we guarantee? We guarantee up to 100% capital appreciation within 4 years of any of our projects. Ladies and gentlemen, we have done that, we have proven it. Starting off with our flagship project, which is the Canterbury Golf City, Piliyandala Kahatudua, an area that is Sri Lanka's very first golf resort apartments and villas, which is also up to date, the Sri Lanka's largest residential development spanning over 55 acres. Initially, when we launched it in 2019, it went for about 8 million. And right now, even if you see in the listings, starting off with Lanka Property would say it going it at 35. 5 million rupees. Imagine it's 355+% capital appreciation. So we guarantee up to 100% within 4 years. As we move forward, now this is one of our value additions in our business. Most of our investors, local or international, all of you might have a question, then you ask this question from us. Do you manage property? Yes, we do. Because most of the investors, when they go for property buying as an investment, they would like to know, okay, fine, we're going to invest in your property, but we won't be in Sri Lanka or we will be away. How will you be able to manage this for us? We do it from our integrated service of Infinity Property Management Solutions by Homelands. Let's say somebody is buying. Why do people buy property? 3 reasons. You buy to live, you buy to flip, or you buy to earn passive income. So let's say it's somebody who's buying for passive income. You want to rent it out. Let's say it's short let or long rental terms. We do the property management. If it's short let, from housekeeping to airport pickup, drop, to arranging everything with a support desk for your clients, we do it. Even if it's long term, we handle it on our own. And now we have recently introduced our hotel management service. You want to give your property to us to handle just like a hotel for bed and breakfast, half board, full board. We do that management as well. So this is why we as Homelands is special as Sri Lanka's #1. Now, why invest? That is exactly why you invest with Homelands, and also looking at our unmatched choice. I'll just take you through only a few for the benefit of time. Retirement is highly in demand, and recently Sri Lanka made headlines globally for being the most affordable country to retire. And this is where Homelands introduced Sri Lanka's first retirement leisure village, right in Atharugiriya. And we have started to hand over the villas and apartments as well. So this is a beautiful concept. When you pass the age 55, when you pass the age 60, you enter your golden era and you want to spend it with like-minded people. Now, let's get the elder home concept out of our heads, because as Asians, that's what we are familiar with. But this is the international standard way of living retirement in a whole new world. And also next, let me take you through to another most in demand from tourists, that is Oceana Beach Resort Apartments and Villas Vadua. This is Sri Lanka's first luxury beach resort complex, where you have 3 beautiful, amazing towers. We have made headlines recently because we gave the construction update of 70% completion of this, and Sri Lankans are wondering whether this is the next biggest hotel that's coming up. No, this is a project by Homelands. So this is beautiful. You've got apartments, villas. Once again, it's the resort style living. You've got restaurants, pools, gyms, everything. And when you own a property here, you also own a private beach of half a kilometer. It's right to the beach, ladies and gentlemen. And next, of course, coming into the most iconic Twin Tower development in the heart of Colombo. This is Pentara Residences, Tumulahandia, the address in Colombo. This is almost 85% sold out as at now, and construction is also proceeding. This is so beautiful, as you can see. We've got Sri Lanka's first cantilevered sky pool, Sri Lanka's first 5-star floating sky restaurant, to many more amenities. Location is everything, because as developers, there's nothing to mention when it comes to location. Tumulahandia is the address. So that's a little bit about Homelands, and we've got a full-on stall ready for you today. Our staff is here today to talk to you. And talking about payment plans, of course, flexible payment plans with up to 100% home loan options are also there with us, so you can talk to our team today. And also, something interesting that we launched for this year is that Homelands Draw 2026. So if you buy an apartment or a villa from Homelands between 1st of January to the 31st of December 2026, you are entitled to win a brand new C-Class Mercedes-Benz. And the draw will happen next year, March. But of course, you are entitled Live your lifestyle, choose your lifestyle, and drive your dream. With that, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your attention. We're here today and tomorrow to talk to you. We are Homelands. Thank you.